Justin, explain what we're going to do here.
Many people think that prompt engineering means you have to have a prefabricated script already laid out, or you have to go through this paragraph of what you need, which is true in most cases. However, with the paid version of ChatGPT and Bing Chat, there is a dictation option to where you can ramble. So what I'm about to do is I'm using Bing Chat because it seems to be the best free version as far as not forcing you to speak very quickly, but at a relaxed speed. And it's going to help me with a sales problem I'm having and hitting quotas. So I'm going to go to the input where I would put my prompt in, go to the right-hand side, and I'm going to click on the use microphone. You'll need to make sure that you allow access for it to do this. And if you're using Edge or Chrome, it will ask you, most likely your top left-hand corner, depending on which browser you're using. Just allow it to do that, and you'll be able to use the microphone. Now, one thing you'll see is because you're using the microphone, it will go ahead and read it back to you in the event you need it to. There is a way to stop that, and I'll show you. So right now, I have it set to creative because I'm throwing out ideas, and I want to see what it can do for inspiration or brainstorming. I'm going to ramble for a few moments. Please take the information that I say and organize it into a coherent meeting agenda. So one of the things that we need to do is figure out how to get the sales for the next quarter increased, potentially through incentives or maybe an internal marketing meeting. Either way, we need to make sure that we are hitting our quotas on sales and that each one of the salesmen are going to the script or per to the training that they have been provided. Perhaps we can look at the metrics and see what we can use to track performance. Either way, we need to get the numbers up. So I've submitted it. That was a good brainstorming session. It's loading now. So what it's doing is oh, here we go.
Hello, this is Bing. I can help you create a meeting agenda based on the information you provided. Here is a possible outline. Meeting agenda, increasing sales for next quarter.
And so you saw that I turned it off by selecting the same area where the microphone was. You'll see a wavelength moving as they speak. And so if you simply click on that, it'll turn it off. Cool. And now you see that you have a well-formulated, coherent meeting agenda that you can copy, paste, and start working on for your next meeting.
This is so exciting, and this is part of what we include in our training for small business and professionals utilizing free AI tools. Excellent, excellent example. Thanks so much. Folks, remember to click subscribe in the bell so you see future videos and check the text below for other resources. Thanks, Justin. Great job.
Thank you. Most welcome.